Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, Harbor Freight, 10 days of deals going on right now. We're at day 6. Day 6 today. We'll review it. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and or maybe becoming a channel member. But pretty straightforward today. Deals of the day 6. It's the Icon Alert. Icon, lifetime warranty, locking flex head ratchet and bit set, 35 piece, 37% off, coming July 22nd, which is Wednesday, July 22nd, and then 30% off all solar and decorative outdoor lighting at 30% off, which I feel like for outdoor lighting, they could have done 40% off. Not sure what they're trying to, how many of the HARBROs they're trying to stop from coming in the store and buying their lighting, but maybe those lights, maybe they sell more than we expect. But we'll look over a few of the items that we'll have an option for. But first, we'll start off with Deal of the Day 6. Just a friendly reminder, 30% off Hercules Tuesday, tomorrow, and 40% off all Bauer and Hercules. Also, HARBROs remind me who picked up or who's still going to go pick up their Icon half-inch drive torque wrench, or who's picking up some Meguiar's detailing supplies. But again, Deal of the Day 6, Icon meme tool, $25, down from $40. 37% off. I think there was one time where this was 40% off. So this should be closest to the best deal of all time on this meme set, but we'll take a look at it. We'll take a look at the meme tool. $40 normally, 35 piece set, durable locking flex head ratchet, little mini ratchet, full selection of most commonly used bit sizes inside a premium case. Pretty straightforward, lifetime guarantee. Almost 2,500 reviews, 4.9 stars out of 5, and 99% of the HARBROs would recommend. Perfect for those jobs, tight spaces. Wish I had this years ago compared to a Milwaukee marker. Best mini ratchet I have found. Use it every day. Love these meme tools. Bought this for working in very tight spaces. Outstanding quality. And just so you know, some of those reviews might be a little bit older. There have been some revisions and updates to the meme tool. I think specifically to the ratchet. Different ratchet than what it first came out with. Still super similar, and I think still super popular, but just something to note. So $40. We will look at the price history. So this came out at $40 back in 2022. Went up in price, but they lowered it back down. So $40 is what it's been at for the last few years. It does show the lowest price that it's been ITC and regular coupon. It's been down to $25. And that was a couple years ago. And more recently, it's only gone down to $28. And I'm telling you, one time there was a 40% off all Icon, maybe it was Icon hand tools back in the golden days. And this qualified for the 40% off of that. But here we're at $25. So according to the tracker, it's the lowest it's been. It matches the lowest it's been. That one unicorn day, I think it went down to $24 because it would have been 40% off. So only $1 less. So this is the time to pick it up if you haven't picked it up at $25. It is an excellent deal, 37% off. And then we have 30% off all solar and decorative outdoor lighting. That's a little bit more all over the place, but we'll look at a few of them. We'll start off with Luminar, going to be one of the big hitters for outdoor lighting. Price from high to low. So Luminar's highest or most expensive option is a 24-foot, 12 bulb shatterproof outdoor color changing LED lights, green, yellow, blue, red. It's at $50, 13 different patterns. That's a little bit pricey. And 30% is going to make that feel a little bit better. 30% off of $50, of course. Get it down to $35 for a 24-foot length of string lights. So $35, solid deal, makes it a little bit more enticing. I don't believe this halogen light will be part of it, but definitely all the outdoor string lights, 20-foot, 10 bulb outdoor, 24-foot LED outdoor, and then 24 LED outdoor in white. Of course, 66-foot warm white solar rope light. Some linkable gross lights, not sure if those will qualify. 8 lumen, 19-inch solar LED, bronze finished glass pathway lights for $20. And a lot of these, once they're under $20, they would qualify for the $30% off of $20 and under. So if you miss this sale, you'll have a few more options. But really, the ones we want to look at are anything over $20. So definitely these string lights and these outdoor 24-foot 12 bulb string lights. So that's Luminar. Then we do have Bunker Hill Security, same thing, sorted from high to low. I don't know if you need commercial lighting, but Bunker Hill Security outdoor 7,000 lumen 50 watt LED commercial floodlight. at $69.99. Very nicely priced and decently reviewed. Bright light outside of their shop, outdoor dog kennels, incredible LED security lights, bright and heavy duty, and they look to be getting the job done. So if you need some commercial lighting to light up a large space, they seem to do well. $70, pretty pricey. For one, it is 7,000 lumens, but at $70 and at 30% off, get it down to $49. So about $50. So now you're getting definitely a better deal. Still a little bit pricey, but it does look like it lights up a large area. And of course, Bunker Hill Security has a lot more options for different security lights, all over $30, all over $20. So these will be ones that rarely go on sale. Triple head LED solar security light, LED solar security light, motion sensor security lights. You get the drift. And then One Stop Garden has a few as well, but it looks like those are all. Let's sort from high to low just to verify. I know they have some lights that have $25. The One Stop Garden 75 lumen 13-inch solar LED black finish glass spotlight, illuminate trees and other garden focal points. Few reviews, 4.2, 83%. Not the best picture, but looks like they're lighting up a flag with the string lights. Light up a snowman. Probably light up some Halloween decorations. Fish pond, flag, and a scary hill. So this is at $25. Again, this one would not qualify for the 30% off of $20 and under. So this would be a good option to get. And at $25, 30% off, get it down to $17.50. So saving almost $9. And they do have another option under $20. It's $8.99. 40 lumen, 8-inch solar LED black finish spotlight. Already a deal at $9. But of course, take an extra 30% off, get it down to $6.30. But those are the main lights that I've noticed that'll be part of the deal. 30% off all solar decorative and outdoor lighting. Let me know if anybody's excited about those. Seems a little less interesting, but I know there's always a few people who find the perfect timing for a deal. But of course, the big one is the $25 icon meme tool, locking flex head ratchet and bit set. Normally $40 down to $25, 37% off. And I will leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know who's picking up some breaker hammers or the charger kits or waiting for the parking lot sale, and how you did today. McGuire's Detailing and Icon Torque Wrench. Again, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.